Question number 1. Which day is celebrated as the Commonwealth Day in May 2022? Answer: the 24th of May. Question number 2. What is the rank of India in the World Economic Forum's WEF Travel and Tourism Development Index, released in May 2022? Answer: 54th. Question number 3. Who has become the first player to hit 700 fours in the history of the Indian Premier League, IPL? Answer: Shikhar Dhawan. Question number 4. In which state the 4th edition of state-level Shirui Lily Festival 2022 is starting from May 25th? Answer: Manipur. Question number 5. Who has been reappointed as the President of the World Health Organization? Answer: Tedros Ghebreyesus. Question number 6. Has installed world's highest weather station on Mount Everest? Answer: Nat Geo. Question number 7. Who has been appointed PM Modi's new private secretary? Answer: Vivek Kumar. Question number 8. Which state government has launched the Chara Biji Yojana scheme in May 2022? Answer: Haryana. Question number 9. Who has become one of the youngest Indian mountaineers to climb the Everest Base Camp in May 2022? Answer: Rid Mamania. Question number 10. What is the name of the NASA mission, which aims to measure Earth's global electric potential? Answer: Endurance. Question number 11. Nanjarayan Tank has been declared as a bird sanctuary of which state? Answer: Tamil Nadu. If you like this video, please click the like button and also subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon to stay updated with our new video.